The way we set ourselves apart is our automation. I would say we have a top-notch team of engineers that have been able to develop well-designed processes for creating the parts that the customers and the OEMs are looking for. Most of it is surrounding laser processing, but we are getting into robotics for some of the other COEs like Swiss automation, Swiss turning, and also for the Willemins and micro machining. The laser welding in particular, we have several fully automated systems that are developing parts for our OEM customers. When we bring customers through here and they see the amount of automation that we have here, they are very impressed and walk away knowing that they're working with the right people.